The interior design of your home says as much about you as your clothes or taste in music. So why not stand out with a funky lime green splashback? These splashbacks are made from toughened glass and come in 60, 70 and 90 centimetre widths. They're easily attachable to any dust-free, non-porous surface and are certainly a lot easier to clean than conventional tiles and grouts. If this doesn't fit your taste or kitchen, then don't worry, because splashbacks also come in, are you ready for this? Deep purple, lilac, red, orange, yellow, fuchsia pink. So there's bound to be something that fits both your taste and your kitchen. And to get a better feel of how cool these splashbacks look, why not come and see us in our Lancashire showroom?